Proposals for the revitalization of the historic quarter of Darb-e-Ghasr in Isfahan, Iran. First part, after the abstract and introduction, is about Isfahan, the beautiful city of world travelers. The second part is about historic quarter of Darb-e-Ghasr and old neighborhoods of Isfahan, the introduction to the neighborhood, definition of that. The third part is about the views for the design of residential centers. The fourth part is the results for the research about Darb-e-Ghasr neighborhood, social problems, neighborhood problems, parking design, design ideas, and the total design made in the passage, and the questionnaire and project results, conclusions, and references. Isfahan is one of Iran's ancient cities, famous for its magnificent buildings, especially from the Safavid era. Darb-e-Ghasr is one of the historic neighborhoods in Isfahan, which consists of many gorgeous houses and precious landmark buildings. This historic quarter is rich in valuable cultural heritage, but it suffers from ignorance and abandonment. So, this article is trying to propose proper methods for the revitalization of this historic neighborhood in Isfahan. This is the map of a location of Isfahan in Iran. This is the location of Darb-e-Ghasr in the historic map of Sayyid Reza Khan. These are the names of old neighborhoods in Isfahan. You can see Darb-e-Ghasr in the center down of this map. This is another map and location of Darb-e-Ghasr neighborhood. Again, revised details plan of Darb-e-Ghasr neighborhood. This is the location of Darb-e-Ghasr neighborhood in the aerial photo of 1956, the aerial photo of 1966. This is another map of Isfahan and Darb-e-Ghasr neighborhood. Two views of the neighborhood. This is the location of the Darb-e-Ghasr neighborhood in Google Maps. Analysis of the site sunlight direction, access to the neighborhood from Abdulrazak Street, the main street, the air and noise pollution, map of urban furnitures like Saqqah Khane or tavern in the past, telephone booth, electric post, charity fund, square and covered alley in the map, field space, empty space, road slope, roads, different grades from 1 to 3, residential or government buildings, floor numbers from 1 to 3 or more, facade status, material like brick, clay, or stone, active, semi-active, half ruined, inactive, or abandoned completely, Safavid, Qajar, Pahlavi, and contemporary era, service, residential, religious, and commercial, views for the design of residential centers, road lighting, and walking routes. These are different floor coverings with brick, stone, or cement, and different types of carpet floors designed in the historic texture, different benches, and you can see different pictures of the benches. Some examples of design bulletin boards, the perspective of the buildings from 1 floor to 3 floors. Results that I'm gonna talk on the pictures: Dafian House, Karbasi House, Qasr Chambalan or Chambalan Palace, the entrance of houses and the mosque of Muhammad Ja'far Mosque. Social problems. One of the problems is lack of public parking and parking cars, and the solution is designing parking in a neighborhood. Second problem is lack of public trash cans, and solution designing a trash can area. Third problem, the presence of electric poles and hanging electrical wiring on the facade, so we're gonna remove them and design them, trying to hide them. The fourth problem, presence of gas piping Again, we're gonna design it and hide them. Wide variety of door and windows. So we're gonna change the type of the modular doors and windows. Um, Sticking advertising stickers on the doors, removing them. A space is just for putting garbage, and it is really an ugly view to the city, so we're gonna design a parking lot. And too much variety of materials in the facade, so we're going to change the colors and the design in one style. Buildings without facade, so designing facade for these kind of buildings. Lack of proper carpet floor, designing for them. Inconsistency in brickwork. Again, we're gonna change the facade and design the facade of the building. Neighborhood problems, I'm gonna talk on the pictures. Different types of design carpet floors. Again, different designs with brick and different colors of red and gray. Typology of existing windows of facades, door typology, and the typology of design doors and windows. Parking design. This is the existing view of eastern side of the passage and existing view of the southern side of the passage. As the alleys are very narrow, I couldn't have a panorama picture, so I stick the pictures together like this. This is the existing view of western side, pictures of western side, existing view of northern side, northern side, northern, southern side, southern, existing view of southern, eastern, design view of the eastern side. The brick is used and modular windows and pictures are used, and the empty area that you can see on the existing view of eastern is filled so that the facade become more aesthetic. This is the design view of southern side and existing view of that. You can see the differences. Design and existing view of eastern side. Again, another part of southern side, eastern side. Design ideas. Here you can see that modularity is used in the body. You can see the before and after the design process 3D model. Here water is used and materials of the facades are redesigned for this view. Here the parking lot and green space is designed in this open area. Again, using of water and changing the facade of the buildings in this area. Water used and the modularity framing in the facade of the buildings. This is the space for playground for children. This is the design of an intermediate space to create a hierarchy in going to access the doors and entrance of the buildings. This is a green space designed in the open area of the neighborhood. The appropriate framing and modular door and trying to hide the gas sticks here, pedestrian crossing and green space designed in the crossing. This is the parking area designed in the open space of the